welcome back to our channel. We are up and just kind of scrounging around. We have a couple of errands to do. This is a pretty busy week for us because we've got a couple of things that we have to do as it relates to some of the content that we have to create for a couple of brands, and then just minor errands that we have to run before we head out to go home for the holidays. So yeah, we're up and just moving around, and I'm about to do my skincare. Just got out of the shower and washed my face, did all my things, and I'm about to layer skincare. I'm gonna first start with my L'Oreal Collagen. I really love this product. I said on our live, hold on, actually I had it for a little while, maybe for a month before saying this on the live. And what I said on the live was that I was still kind of iffy about this product. Didn't know if if I really liked it or not. I hadn't sat with it for a long time now, as you can see. I don't know, can y'all see that? It's sitting right here. When I said that, it was like up here on the live when I said that, but here. So you can't really talk about a product and say you don't really like it or you're not driving with it unless you've sat with it for so long and it's not doing what it is that the product claims that it does. This is definitely making my skin softer. It's definitely hydrating my skin, and also the thin lines that I've seen, because of course I'm getting older, I'm 41. So you're gonna have thin lines, you're gonna have those types of things, but there are ways to combat those lines outwardly. So you can do a topical, or you can do it inwardly, which is what I'm about to start doing, okay? And that's my business, all right? So I take back what I said. I know ain't no take backsies, but you know, I take back what I said. I shouldn't have spoken about this unless I had really, tried it and, saw what it did for me. Hope you guys are having an amazing holiday. God is so good, y'all. He's just so good. If you're not able to purchase gifts and things like that with your family, or do things like that rather with your family, or spend time with them, or whatever it is that could be possibly going wrong in your lives, be grateful still. During this time we get so been out of shape over what we can't do. I'm not able to get my kids gifts, or I'm not able to, get anything for my mom, or, I'm not able to, make sure that my wife is taken care of. It's none of these things are at our hands. It's the Lord who does it, right? And so, but the Bible tells us to be content in whatever state that we're in. And so if you're not able to give gifts or, make this holiday what you feel like it should be, don't worry about that. This may be a season where God has you just being surrendered to Him and just having faith in Him that He is and that He can do what He says He's going to do. A lot of times we don't believe until we have that tangible thing that we want in our hands. And that's not faith. That's not belief in God. And there have been times where we've not been able to give gifts, or we've not been able to have the best of holidays. Sometimes we complained and then we learned and did better. It's not until you truly have faith in God. He's not doing anything to you on purpose to hurt you. You ain't having faith in me, I'm gonna get you. That's not God. What He's doing is He's helping you to see who he truly is so that you can see him without the tangible stuff, without the material things. You can see him beyond that. Because if you don't see him beyond that, that means you don't truly see him. And that's really hard to accept because we go around saying, oh, I love God. I believe in God. I have faith in God. And then when something happens or when we don't get what we want, we truly see like, we don't be believing in the Lord. I said, don't be believing in the Lord. We don't really have faith in God. And so the question, you have to ask yourself, like, God, I know you're there. I know you exist, but do I truly believe in you? Do I truly believe that I believe you are who you are, you exist. But do I truly believe that you will do what it is that you say that you will do and that you are who you are beyond what I'm asking you for? But yeah, you can't handle that way. And I am learning it is best to truly believe in God, just believe in who he is beyond whatever it is that you're wanting from him. Seek the Lord first. Love him first. Adore him first. He's having to have his way with me for sure. Like I'm getting personal checks. Do you truly love me? Do you truly honor me? Do you truly, and you talking to the people, but do you truly have faith in me and believe in me? It's just a personal check. Again, John Bevere said something so special to me, and I'm going to keep this. He said that it is not a challenge or an attack from God when he's bringing something to your attention. It's an invitation to get closer to him. And when you can look at it from that perspective, that God is not scalding you, but he's getting you together. But it's an invitation. Change your mindset. Change your thought from God is attacking me. He's pushing me down like he's so hard, to how it's an invitation for him to build you and bring you higher, Either way, so let me go ahead and put on my under eye cream. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my Clarins Eye Serum. You guys know that this is one of my faves. And I'm gonna go in with Black Girl Sunscreen. That is my skincare for today. About to go and get dressed, and we'll see you guys in the car.
Hey guys, so we're on our way to get my hair done. I'm just doing, hopefully I can communicate to her properly how, I just want it cleaned up. I don't want it shorter necessarily. I want it shorter in the back because she kept it a little longer the last time. This time, because it's grown out more, I do want it more even as possible all the way around. So I'm going to get that done, and then my Gucci ring got done early. I'm so excited that I'll be able to wear it for Christmas. I am so appreciative of Pickens. They are so quick. They were quick the last time. So I'm going to pick that up today. I need to go by and get my eyebrows done because the window of opportunity, the time that I can get it done, is closing because we leave soon. So I'm gonna go get that done, and then we have to go pick up some items from Williams-Sonoma for our charcuterie board that we're doing, and then hopefully we can get our car washed. Hopefully we can fit that into the day. So we have a pretty full day of errands, and we are of course taking you guys along for the ride. Okay guys, so Keyondra and I are now in the parking lot of my brow place, or where we get our brows done. They moved, and so as you can see, I need them done. I just asked them to clean them up because I don't have very much, but so I get them cleaned up. I got my hair done, got it cleaned up, it looks so good. And then I got my ring. I'm wearing it because I forgot the little baggie that it came in when I first bought it. And so this was actually only $30 to have repaired, so that's not bad in my opinion. I think so. They're not very, you know, high price. Like a lot of times I read that stuff like this could be like $100 plus. So this is actually really good, and they do good and they're fast. So I'm so excited about that because I get to wear it for Christmas. And so yeah, I'm about to go in. I don't have an appointment. I think they mostly do walk-ins. I don't know, but that's all I've ever gotten from them. Found out about them years ago when we first moved here on Groupon. And I've been just coming to them for getting my brows threaded, and now they don't even use like their mouths for it anymore. I'm so glad about that. But yeah, so let me go ahead and go in here and get my brows threaded, and of course you guys will see the rest of the day.